Good morning, one and all. Myself, Dr. K. Radhika, working as an associate professor, in the Department of Agricultural Engineering, SNSCT, Coimbatore. Today, I am going to discuss about fourth unit agronomy of field crops. The topic is practicing packaging practices of groundnut. Then, the introduction about the groundnut. The scientific name of groundnut is Arachis hypogaea, family Fabaceae. Other name earth nuts, monkey nuts, peanuts, hooper nuts, pig, kingpin of oils, then pigmy nuts. Groundnut. Arachis hypogaea is derived from word two Greek words. One is arachis meaning to legume and hypogaea meaning below the ground, referring to the formation of parts in the ground of the soil. It's one of the most important food and oil seed crop cultivated and consumed in most part of our world. It's widely accepted as an excellent source of nutrition. Two is high protein content, that is 12 to 13% present in the groundnut. Vitamins are A, B, some of B2 are present in the groundnut. Then Brazil in South America is the center of origin of groundnut. It has oil content of 47 to 49 percentage. Then let's see the botanical classification of groundnut. Groundnut is a herbaceous annual and with more or less upright central stem with numerous branches that vary from postrate to upright depending upon the variety. It has a taproot, stem is cylindrical, hairy and become more or less angular with age. The leaves of groundnuts are pinnate with two pairs of leaflets borne on a cylindrical and grooved petiole. The flowers are yellow, complete, pablate and sessile. Usually, flowering takes place between 24 to 30 days after sowing, which is little earlier in bunch type than spreading type. Flowers open between 6 to 8 am and fertilization is completed before midday. In the gynospore is commonly referred to as peck. The peck carrying the ovary pushes itself into the soil. It is only after entering the soil that ovary begins to develop and takes up horizontal position. At the same time, the pods begins to enlarge. The fruit is indehiscent pod containing 1 to 5 seeds. The cell of the pod which contains the seed is morphologically pericarp and the thin skin that covers the seeds or nut is the test. That nut is composed to cartilage which contain oil and food materials. Then classification of groundnut. There are two methods of classification. One is according to Waldron or growth habits. One is erect type or bunch type. Another one is spreading type or trailing type. The erect or bunch type include Arachis hypogaea, subspecies Fausticata, short duration varieties, that is 95 to 105 days duration, early maturing and high yielding and almost free from dormancy, high germination percentage, that is 90 to 95 percentage of germination percent is present in the erect type. Then spreading or trailing type. The spreading type and trailing types includes subspecies Procumens, lol, long duration 120 to 120 days, late maturity, high yielding ability and have dormancy of 62 to 75%, low germination percent 85 to 90 percentage. Commercial classification of groundnut. The commercial classification there are two types: coromandel type and big Japan or Bombay type. Coromandel type it bears smaller pods within thin husk, oval shaped small seeds. Then big Japan or Bombay boulder type pods and seeds of these types are bigger than coromandel type. Then let's see climate and soil condition of the groundnut cultivation. Groundnut does well in the well-drained, light texture, loose, friable and sandy loam soil, which helps in easy penetration of the pecks and their development with pH of 6 to 7 form is ideal for cultivation of the groundnut. Then it's sensitive to salinity. Groundnut is a tropical plant requires a long and warm growing seasons. It grow well in areas receiving 50 to 125 centimeter well distributed rainfall during growing seasons. Planting in cold, wet soil is therefore so unsuitable. Planting in warm soil results in fast germination, healthy seedling. Do not plant in dry soil and irrigation with cold water. Thank you, one and all.